Have you seen beard balm online or in person and said to yourself,
what the hell are you?
Well, today I'm going to be telling you exactly what is beard balm.
Yeah, I'll do you one better. Who's Gamora?
No, beard balm.
I'll do you one better. Why is Gamora?
No, beard... Do you know what? Let's just get on with the video. Welcome back to the channel with me, Jamie Cox, and this is the Table series where we discuss everything to do with facial hair, from growing it, maintaining it, and products and everything in between. Today we're talking about beard balm, and beard balm's fantastic for keeping your beard where it needs to be and for styling your beard. But before I go more into that, let's look at how it's made and what ingredients are in it. Beard balms usually contain these three ingredients: carrier oils or liquid oils, solid oils or butters like mango butter or shea butter, and a wax. Most people go for beeswax, but some go for candelilla wax and other types of wax. So that was a little bit about what is in it. Obviously each brand differs from brand to brand. I would really avoid beard balms that have water in because they're not natural, and there's really no need to put water into a beard balm. If you do put, if a company does put water in their beard balm, it means they're having to use a chemical to combat that and make sure that the water doesn't go rancid. So just avoid products that have got water in. So beard balm, that's what's in it, but what's it used for? Well, the use of a beard balm is pretty simple really. It's used for two reasons. Number one is to style your beard. So if you've got a longer beard like mine, you just put a bit of beard balm in, work it into the hands, work it into the beard. The wax in the product hardens up over time, so it styles your beard, and it means that your beard doesn't move around. So if you're going somewhere really windy, or you're going somewhere fancy like a wedding or something like that, it's a great product to use just to style. And number two, this product is fantastic for keeping your flyaway hairs at bay and training your beard. Training your beard is hugely important when you first start growing your beard. Your hairs will go all over the place. They'll go in this direction, that direction. Beard balm can help massively. You get a beard balm and a good ball hair brush, train those hairs up so they all learn to flow in the same direction, and your beard will look fantastic because of it. Did you know most companies tell you need to apply beard oil before balm? But that's completely false. Did you know they're doing this just to try and sell more products? Did you know that beard balms are standalone products? And did you know that you could check out our other videos just here? Beard balms are standalone products. You don't need anything else to put on before a beard balm. It contains carrier oils, it contains butters, so why wouldn't it be a standalone product? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Take care.